Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing today? What I have for you guys is BomiBox for April. So let's take a peek. I will tell you BomiBox is a Korean skincare box. It's full of Korean skincare and it is fabulous. It runs $44.99 and it's free shipping in the USA. And if you're interested in this, you would just go to BomiBox.com and subscribe. So let's find out what's in here. If there's any specials that I can find, I'll put them down in the description. This is how our box came, and whoops, it just slid out. And if I remember correctly, they just use codes, and I seldom ever use these codes. But if you want to know more information, just click on that with your phone and you can go and find out more details. But it's a Korean beauty box. We usually will have 5 to 7 items in a box, sometimes 8, and it's all wonderful skincare. So I'm just going to start off with the first thing that I see, and this is something that I could use, and it's called BHA Cream Dark Spot Zero. And it has willow bark. That's very interesting. No, it says willow, BHA. And it's dark spot 0, blackhead 0, whitehead 0, cherry spot 0, and whitening up. Alright, be the skin. Now this is something I could use. Could even use it on my hands for some of my dark spots that I have. And then I still have a few on my face. Let's see what it looks like. Got my little handy dandy tool here from the man box. This thing's really come in handy. I should have got one of those a long time ago. It's just in a tube just like this, and just like it says, it's a dark spot remover. I'm going to put some on my hands. I'm going to go ahead and rub it in because that's a place that I would want to use it on. And I'll just see how well it works. You can use it on your face, of course. I just decided I'm going to try it right here. It's got a nice clean scent to it, so it's nothing heavy. I don't know if it says instructions, and even if it does, it may say it in another language. Yeah, I can't really read the instructions. I think it's in Korean. So I'm sure if I was to go to that site, they would probably have some of it in English, but I don't know. I mean, this does come from Korea. So let's go to the next item. First item is a hit for me. The next item is Wooten Clean. This is a lotus water cream. And this sounds very interesting. Now, it says 70% lotus water, and it hydrates the skin while it retains moisture in the skin. So this is 100% vegan formula and with minimal ingredient list, which is good. The less the better. So let's take a look at this. Again, it's in a tube and it's sealed, so I'm going to keep it sealed for now because I'm not going to necessarily use this right away, but it sounds very good. So this is going to be a moisture retention cream. So kind of like a hyaluronic acid, but it's a lotus water cream. Alright guys, our next item is, can we read that? It's called Eyelash, Kasnori Eyelash. So is this a mascara? It says it's vegan. Nope, it's in another language. So I cannot read what that is. I'm not going to open this up till I know more what it is. I want to say it's a mascara, but I'm not 100% sure, so I'm going to keep it intact. Our next item is very unique. Look at the shape of this. Looks like an aloe plant. This is Soothing Gel Aloe, and it's Holika. Look at that. Now this I will use. This is excellent to have, and I love the way the design is of an aloe plant. And y'all notice that I recognized that it was shaped like an aloe plant before I even knew what it was, because I have aloe plants. They're very good for you, and they're great for burns and minor skin irritations. You can even like, I don't know if you can eat it too well, but I know that you can make a little juice out of aloe and it's good for your stomach. Very nice. Okay, this is a great product. That's a win. So far, I'm loving this box. Our next item is a Yes, I Am toner. So it looks like we got us a little bottle of toner, and it's sealed. Say anything else other than it's a toner. So I'm just going to have to say that's a toner for your face. That's the only thing that I know what a toner is. And then the next item that we have are, yay, 2 calming masks. We have a calming time mask, and it's soothing, and it's CORNFLOWER. That's the brand from Korea. And then we have a calming time mask sheet that is rosemary. Isn't that excellent? I love the way they package things like it's the real food, because it is. When you get a good quality sheet mask or mask and it's made out of natural things, it's just wonderful, because those are our natural ways of healing, our natural things that we can put on our face that actually help, to soothe and calm, just like this says. These are going to be relaxing masks, and I love them. And we also got some kind of little sample here of All Clean green foam. So I'm going to say this is a pH balanced face cleanser. So in this month's BomiBox, we got this little sample of All Clean. We got our 2 facial masks, which I can't wait to use, guys. I've used a Wooten facial mask from Korea. It's the best one I ever used, ever. And I'm just assuming these are going to be just as good because they're made in Korea. We got our Wooten Clean Lotus Water Cream. We got our Dark Spot Zero. And remember, it does more than dark spot. It does blackhead, whitehead, cherry spot, and whitening up your face. Or whitening up maybe my hand. And I got this eyelash mascara. I think it's mascara. I really don't know for sure, but it's shaped like a tube of mascara, and everything else is written in another language. So I'll look this up and then put it up on the screen. And then we have the Yes, I Am toner. So, and I'm assuming, yeah, it's liquid. So this is a toner for your face from Korea. And then this lovely bottle of aloe, 99%. So that means that this is major aloe. And this is going to be great for the summer. And if anybody gets a sunburn around here, or when we go on our trip to Cozumel and we get a little bit too much sun, we can soothe it with this. So I love this. I love my box. What's your favorite thing? My favorite thing is going to have to be the aloe, the sheet mask, and this dark spot. I'm going to really enjoy using this. Guys, I know this box is a little pricey, but if you think about the quality of the items and the results that you're going to get out of them for your skincare, it's, chicken feed, chink change, whatever. It is worth it. So that's all I have today for BomiBox, and I thank you all for joining me. Keep an eye out for my giveaways that are coming up. I've got my 600 subscriber that'll be due out soon, and I've got some other giveaways just going on, so be sure and keep a lookout. As for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.